What discussions did we have? No, Honorable Raila Odinga and the members leadership of NASA, they asked to meet with the international observer missions. We agreed to that, and we all therefore met them. They came and they gave a report concerning what they called, they described as the hacking of the server of the IEBC. And then they distributed a document to the observer missions, which they say it represents the process of the hacking. People like myself who are illiterate in terms of technology couldn't understand it, but it was distributed to the observer missions. The question was posed as to how they had acquired the document, because the document presumably is said to represent what happened in the server as a result of the hacking. And they said, no, they had been given a particular key by the IEBC to be able to access the server. And so they explained, and we said, well, thank you very much, we've listened to you, but then said that we don't know, of course, whether, because we didn't observe it, whether the hacking took place or didn't take place, but we were very confident that by resort to what the law requires, that is, resort to the 34A form, filled in and signed and so on at the polling stations, going through those forms and producing therefore the 34B form from the constituencies, it would be possible therefore to be able for the parties, IBC, everybody concerned, to all the necessary calculations, regardless of what might have happened in the event that there was any hacking. Of course, the NASA people then expressed their own reservations about the accuracy of those 34A forms, because they said that in a number of the stations they didn't have any party observers of their own, and in some of them they were turned away, their agents, and indeed said that there would also be a process going on, even as we were meeting them yesterday, of altering the results as represented in those 34A forms. So that was their report. So we said, well, we're observers. It's our obligation to listen to everybody, as we're glad that we had the opportunity to listen to NASA. And thank you very much for your information. Goodbye. So that was the discussion that took place.